Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a character art of a young barefoot person by Sasatoya, Beholden, a hand-drawn serif font by Amorphous, 6 high-quality, hand-painted icons of books, potions, and a scroll by Black Jellycat, a music pack of 5 space-themed tracks by Crystal Zone. Next, we have 5 new plugins. An MV plugin by Kanazuki Sasuke that allows us to customize how a value or variable looks like when it's called in a window. An MV and MZ plugin by Toria Kontan that allows us to manipulate variables and switches when certain equipments or states are attached or detached. An MV and MZ plugin by Takeshi Tsunegawa that allows us to change the direction of the character with event commands even when the direction fixed is on. An MZ plugin by Noon that expands our control on what we can display on the save screen. And an MZ plugin by Butte436 that keeps the game running when the player clicks out of the game window. And lastly, we have 2 new softwares and tools. A tool Character-Sprite generator by Redux Games with art from Severick. And a website we can use to generate anime characters and art using AI. I was about to call this out as a waifu-only generator, but no, male art does pop up here too, rarely. So that is all for today. Be sure to play with these plugins and tools and see if they help. And remember, the more we play, the more good we get at playing.